This is nature. Home of the country. Home of the country. Nature. Whew. Piece of string. Stay in my pocket. You see, everyone, nature, which you can see out there, nature is home, not a place. God created nature. He made it to be a home for the animals and for us. It's not just a place, it's a home. We've got to be outside a lot and enjoy nature, because nature is life. We have to enjoy life by being outside in nature for the rest of our lives forever. Can't miss life or a nice day. Enjoy life, because if you do, it'll make you happy. I know I'll spend a lot of time outside in nature for the rest of my life.